Ravi was a young boy who lived in a small village surrounded by green fields and tall trees. Every morning, he woke up early to the sound of roosters crowing. He quickly washed his face and went to help his father in the fields. Ravi's father was a farmer. Together, they worked hard to grow crops like wheat and rice. Ravi carried water from the nearby well to the plants. As he worked, he enjoyed the cool breeze and the songs of birds. After finishing his work in the fields, Ravi returned home for breakfast. His mother had prepared fresh rotis and a vegetable curry. Ravi ate quickly because he had to go to school. The school was a small building at the edge of the village. Ravi walked there with his friends, passing by fields, cows, and a small river. On the way, they laughed and talked about their favorite games. At school, Ravi enjoyed learning new things. His favorite subject was math, and he liked solving problems on the blackboard. During the lunch break, Ravi and his friends sat under a big banyan tree. They shared their food and talked about their dreams. After school, Ravi returned home and helped his mother collect firewood. Then, he played cricket with his friends in an open field. They used a wooden stick as a bat and made wickets from stones. In the evening, Ravi went to the village market with his father. The market was full of live people selling fruits, vegetables, and spices. Ravi loved the smell of fresh flowers and the sound of people bargaining. His father bought some rice and lentils for dinner. When they returned home, Ravi's grandmother was sitting outside, telling stories to the younger children. Ravi joined them and listened to her tales of brave warriors and magical animals. After dinner, Ravi sat under the stars to finish his homework. The village was quiet, and the sky was full of twinkling stars. He thought about his dream of becoming a teacher one day. Before going to bed, Ravi fed the family's cow and said goodnight to everyone. Lying on his cot, he could hear the crickets chirping and the gentle rustling of the trees. As he closed his eyes, Ravi felt happy and content. He loved his village and his simple but beautiful life. He knew that every day was a gift full of hard work, learning, and joy. The next morning, Ravi woke up even earlier than usual. It was a special day in the village. A festival was being celebrated. The whole village was preparing for the occasion. Ravi's family cleaned their house and decorated it with colorful flowers, rangoli designs. After breakfast, Ravi helped his father tie ribbons on their bullock cart. The dot cart would carry the family to the village temple. Ravi loved sitting on the cart, feeling the cool wind on his face as the bulls trotted along the dusty path. Ravi's father gave him a few coins to buy something. Ravi chose a small wooden flute and some sweets for his younger sister. Back in the village, the festival continued with music and dance. Ravi and his friends joined a group of villagers, playing drums and singing traditional songs. They danced around the bonfire, laughing and clapping in joy. In the afternoon, Ravi's mother cooked a big feast for the family. The delicious smell of freshly cooked biryani and sweets filled the house. Ravi's grandmother told him, "Today, we must share our food with those who don't have enough." So Ravi and his father took some food to an old couple who lived alone in the village. They were grateful, and Ravi felt happy to help. As the sun set, Ravi and his friends gathered at the village pond. The reflection of the orange and pink sky on the water was beautiful. The boys skipped stones on the surface of the pond and talked about their favorite parts of the festival. When Ravi returned home, he saw his mother lighting a small oil lamp near the door. The soft glow of the lamp made the house look warm and welcoming. "The lamp brings good luck," his mother said with a smile. Before going to bed, Ravi sat with his grandmother, who braided his sister's hair, and told another story. This time, it was about a clever fox who taught everyone the value of honesty. Ravi loved listening to her stories because they always had a lesson. As Ravi lay on his cot under the open sky, he thought about the beautiful day he had, the laughter of his friends, the kindness of sharing food, and the joy of the festival made him feel grateful. Looking at the stars, Ravi whispered, "I love my village, my family, and our traditions. Life here may be simple, but it is full of love and happiness." With that thought, Ravi closed his eyes and drifted into a peaceful sleep, dreaming of the adventures the next day would bring.